Hey guys, I'm back with another makeup tutorial. Today we're going to get into this bronzy, glowy skin look. So I'm going to use the MEHRON Skin Prep. This keeps your skin super matte. Like, I'm an oily girl, so this is perfect for you oily girls. So we're going to do the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. This is a gorgeous cream. You guys need this, especially for prep in your makeup application. And then we're going to go in with the TATCHA eye cream. This feels like butter on the eyes. I really love it for extra moisture. And we're also going to moisturize those lips. I love this product. It's a berry and it's gorgeous. Milk also helps with mattifying. This is the Poreless Mattifying Primer and it is amazing. Also, we're going to color correct. I am extremely hyperpigmented, so we're going to go underneath the eyes, we're going to go around the lips and make sure that everything is concealed and camouflage that pigmentation. Now, I'm a full coverage type of girl. I don't care if it's natural look, I don't care if it's dewy, I don't care what it is. It's a full coverage look, okay? Always going for full coverage foundation. So I'm going to be using the Double Wear from Estee Lauder and also the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Face foundation. I mixed the two because one is a little bit more red, and then I'm just gonna cover and blend everything out. Once I blend everything out, I'm going to use that Morphe setting spray just to matte, and then we're going to go into conceal. Once again, I'm using two concealers, the Kevyn Aucoin and the Fenty Beauty together. The Fenty Beauty is more close to my skin shade, and then the Kevyn Aucoin is a lighter shade. I just focus that in the inner corner. Also, we're going to highlight in the center and we're going to do the forehead as well. I love to contour with this product from Juvia's Place. This is Katrina. And we're just going to go in. This is super creamy. I like to contour and highlight all together and then let the concealer dry out and then blend everything out. Before I blend out that concealer, I'm going to use the Milk Hydro Spray. I really love this Hydro Grip Spray. It really sets in the foundation or makeup powder, whatever. It really holds the makeup, especially for you oily girls. Please, you must get this. Alright, so now we're going to again blend out and make sure everything is seamless and flawless. I like to go in first with a little small brush and tap it out, and then I go with a sponge later on and tap everything out to give a nice airbrushed effect. I wanted the highlighter to be a little brighter, so here I'm using Morphe C3 and I'm going to use my beauty blender to just work in that inner corner so the highlight is a little bit brighter than what it was. I just mainly focus it on the corner, blending it outwards. Now we're going to set everything. I'm going to use Translucent Honey from Mercier just to set under the eyes and make sure it stays in place. I also like to do on the crease around my lines as well. So now I'm using the Brow Freeze Gel from Anastasia just to lay up the hairs, and then we're going to go with the Dip Brown in Chocolate just to outline the top and the bottom of the brow. After I do that, I use the Anastasia Brow Pen just to lightly fill in the hairs, and then we're going to use the Fenty concealer that I used earlier under my eyes just to clean up the brow at the bottom, and then I'm going to use my foundation to clean up the top. Now I'm just blending everything out with a small brush, and then we're going to go in and set the rest of the face. So I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush powder in shade 4 all over just to set and give an airbrushed effect. And I'm also going to use shade 3 underneath the eyes just to set that particular area. So now I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Bronzer in shade 4 just to contour and warm up around the perimeter of my face. So now I just want to set my brows, so I'm going to use the Anastasia in Clear just to lay everything down. I'm going to use the same concealer that I used to highlight under my eyes, the Morphe C3.5, and I'm just going to blend that out to make sure that my lid is uniformed and prep for eyeshadow. I'm going to use this concealer, blend out, and then I'm going to set it with the LAUDER Mercier powder, and then we're going to go in by applying shadow. So now I'm using the Morphe NT, it's the light gold shade. I don't know the name of that shade. I'm just applying that all over. And then I'm going to use the brown to go in the crease. And then I'm going to do the darkest brown in the outer corner just to give a natural glowy bronzy kind of look. I love this look because it could give you like a summer vibe, just a every going out, any occasion vibe. Like it's a very, it could go with anything basically. So I had put cognac candy on top just to give a little more shimmer, and now I'm lining everything with Makeup Forever Aqua Eyes in black. The liner I'm using right now is the Morphe ink pen, and then I'm going to use the Morphe Make It Black mascara. Now if you guys haven't tried my lash brand, please do. The lashes there was Baby Doll, so I hope you guys support and purchase some of my lashes. It made everything pop and put together. Here I highlighted with the same cognac candy and used Kat Von D Poppy. And now we're going straight into lips. I line my lips with dimmer, and I used Mademoiselle from Juvia's Place lip gloss, and everything was good to go. I also have another hair video to see the full look, but this is the full glam. I hope you guys like it. It was very summery, it was very bronzy, it was giving. See, I love the glow. Look how the glow is just beautiful and radiant. It's perfect for vacation. You know I had to change the outfit and show y'all the full look, the full come together. But yes, if you guys like this, all the details will be in the description box. So thanks guys.